Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you've never come across one of our videos before, or if you haven't looked at the channel before, what we do here is post earwax removal videos. We post new ones every Tuesday and every Friday. So if you have any questions about the video that you go out to watch, then pop them into the comment section below, and that way then the most popular questions we can answer at the end of the week. So enjoy the video, and I shall see you at the end. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal video for you today. This is not a compilation, this is just one patient in today because it was quite a long removal. So you can see quite a large lump of earwax here. It's been softened a little bit with some olive oil. So we're just using the standard size Zollner tube to clear this out. Just getting a grip on the first piece of wax there. So you can see that it is quite soft, it's just starting to get sucked inside the machine. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel already, guys, pop yourself along to Audiology Associates UK and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you get a notification every time we put a new video on. You can see that we're getting a grip on this wax now, so it's starting to move. Now we have to maneuver this around two bends in the ear canal. So we're just wiggling the earwax up and down, so it helps to move it out of the canal a little bit more easily. Just a little bit's broken off there, so we're just going to clear the suction tube and get another grip on this wax. There you go. It's a nice large chunk of earwax come away. You can see there's a little bit more deeper in the canal. Just clearing the canal wall there a little bit before we look for a nice grip on this deeper section of earwax. You can see this is a little bit harder and it's got a slight angle to it, which always makes it a little bit more difficult to get a grip on with the microsuction. But we've managed to maneuver it to the outer part of the ear canal. If you haven't looked at our Facebook page yet, guys, check us out on Audiology Associates 1 on Facebook. There is new content that you won't see on YouTube on there as well every week, so go along and pop a like on the page and you'll get a notification about any new content we put on. Just struggling to get this out. It's quite large, this piece of wax, and it doesn't want to come out of the ear canal very well. There we are. Out it comes. See, it's very dark in colour, sorry, so it's quite old. Eardrum looks nice and healthy. So this is the same patient now with the second ear. So you can see this wax also looks quite wet. So I think there's been a bit of olive oil used, or certainly some form of wax softener. So still sticking with the standard size Zollner tube here. And as before, just getting a little bit of a grip, looking for any looser pieces of earwax so we can take those away first of all before we work on the much harder central chunk of earwax there. Just attempting to guide this out of the ear canal. You can see a few hairs embedded in this wax as well, which is going to make it bind together a little bit more, so sometimes a little bit more difficult to remove. Just taking some of the looser debris away before we work on this side piece here, just pulling that into the center of the canal. What that does, it unsticks the earwax from the ear canal wall, and that can help us sometimes to maneuver this out a little bit more easily, or to keep it in larger pieces. You can see it's really not wanting to budge very well here at the moment. Just getting a grip and looking for any looser sections of wax, which will give us a bit of a purchase on it to allow us to get it out. There we are, we've just got a piece that's starting to break away there. if you imagine, the earwax can sometimes be perfectly formed to the ear canal walls. So that if we can break little pieces away, it just allows this earwax to move a little bit more in the ear canal, which can then allow us to maneuver it out a lot more effectively. So just very gently breaking edges off, whilst trying to roll the wax as we are here. So trying to get a grip on the top of the wax and roll it forwards. And that's just broken a chunk away. Actually looks like it's brought some of the wax to the outer part of the ear canal. There we go, it's another section. It's always nice when you get the earwax from behind getting brought forward with a piece you've just taken away, because it means you haven't got to keep going in and out of the ear too much. This has got quite a chunky piece of earwax here that doesn't want to fit out of the ear canal very well. So just trying to wiggle it up and down, trying to get some maneuverability to be able to get it out. It's starting to move a little bit more now. There we go. We've got it around the corner. There we are. See all the hairs embedded in that. And got a little tiny bit left in there on the canal walls, so we're just going to do a little bit of tidying up in here. The amount of the eardrum we can see there wouldn't cause any problems as far as hearing's concerned. So it's just a case of tidying just some of these looser bits of wax away now. Just very gently staying above the ear canal wall so that we don't touch it or cause any discomfort for the patient. And then just gently working our way along. There we go. And that's all come away. So there's the eardrum, looks nice and healthy. So this is what we removed, guys. So you can see there's a fair amount there. It's about just over 5 centimeters worth of wax between both ears. Works out roughly about 2 inches thereabouts.
Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already and you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.